let's see if we can convince Tiffany to go into 4th gear and give it a little gas. Now, give it the gas. More gas, more gas. Hey guys, welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we're going to pick up my 1989 Fox Body Mustang. So let's go for a road trip. Okay, here we are at Extreme Mustangs. What my Mustang looks like. It's not that one, although it's pretty close. There you go. Here it is right here. It's my 89 Mustang. It's a GT convertible. Has a lot of work done to it. Okay, so what we had actually done here was had a coolant leak. What happened with the coolant leak was this overflow here actually had a crack in it, and it was causing me to lose coolant. So I wasn't sure what it was coming from. Scott here at Extreme Mustangs, he diagnosed it and actually went ahead and we got a brand new overflow from the, it's I think I didn't point this out, this is the overflow tank. And so we got that replaced. Also I had a transmission fluid leak, but that was actually from the speedometer cable, so we should be good to go now. It was running a little hot. This is how I noticed it. It's a 180-degree thermostat, and it was running about 210. It got pretty high there. Luckily, it didn't actually overflow. You know, it didn't boil over, so we're good from that standpoint. But anyway, yeah, it's should be good to go now. We're gonna go ahead and drive it back home. I cannot actually drive it right now because I am recovering from a recent procedure, so we're going to go ahead and I have a special driver I'm going to introduce you to here in a little bit. All right, we've got Tiffany driving the car here. I'm going to start it up. All right, we have to go easy on her, guys, because this is not her first time driving a manual, but she doesn't have a ton of experience, so we'll see how she does. I forgot to put my seatbelt on. Better get that on right now. Sure, yeah. So far, temps are looking good. Running a full 180 like we should be. So, no more overheating problems. Tiffany's doing a pretty good job behind the wheel. We did have one minor stall, but I did not record it, so I'm sure the rest of the time she'll be all good to go. I do have a low coolant warning. I'm pretty sure that that's actually because the sensor doesn't work anymore for the low coolant, and I've actually had it unplugged for a while, but I guess when they replaced it at the shop they went ahead and plugged that back in. So been very ginger with the car so far. She's very, very gingerly. She's not giving it much. She hasn't given it the beans very much.
It's too powerful.
Well, we got to find out.
I got cars in the way.
It's true. We do have cars in the way right now. So basically, I think he just let out the clutch a little too fast the last time without enough gas.
Okay. Alright.
Just kind of listen to the engine revs come up a little bit, and then you know to slowly let out the clutch. And when you let out the clutch too fast, it kind of gives you that jerk, jerk, jerk feeling, you know?
Fucking Bronco Mustang.
Yeah.
I guess not a Bronco.
No, Ford did make a Bronco though, but yeah, it's definitely not a Bronco. Sounds good, idling good. Temps are still good. Got oil pressure looking good on the left. Amps in the middle there. Water on the right. That's really good. Yep. Try not to do below 3,000, get above 3. Yeah, see right at 3 right there. Still going to do it a little bit.
Yeah.
If you can get up to about between 3 and 3,500 on the RPMs, it won't do that anymore.
I can't.
Just hit them.
Yeah.
All right, looks like we're going to get to another complete stop here.
I'm gonna keep rolling.
Just going to try it in second. Oh yeah, plenty of torque for that. There you go. See, that was a much better shift. It likes the RPMs.
Alright, I'll give her what she wants.
Guys, we also have a 6-speed transmission in here, even though it says it's 5. I haven't changed this shift knob, but it's actually a T56 6-speed with the overdrives 6 gear. So we'll have a lot more gears for Tiffany to change here soon. Give it a little bit of gas, give it a little gas, come on, come on. Oh. Didn't even get to 4. I'm gonna try and see if I can get her to wind it out a little more, guys, but I don't know. She's being pretty soft with the gas pedal so far. We'll see. You just had plenty of road. Okay, we're about to get on the highway. Let's see what she does this time. Do have a minivan in front of us. No, not enough. Come on, push the pedal. Push it down. One gear left. You can go into 6 now. Let's see if we can convince Tiffany to go into 4th gear and give it a little gas. You got to downshift into 4th. Not 2nd, 4th. Go push the clutch in. Move this over. Come on, let's see it.
Oh my god.
Come on.
I am very happy cruising right now.
Yes, I still have to break the transmission in, so I need some more gear changes, clutch changes. Come on, push that clutch in. Now, give it the gas. More gas, more gas. Let off, and then hit the gas. Slam it to the floor, come on, there you go. All right.
Oh my gosh.
All right, one more.
Oh boy.
6th gear. Got to shift one more time.
Yeah.
There you go. do the seatbelt pull in this car.
Yeah.
The seatbelts in this car, they tend to lose their tension because it's hard to run them through. I don't know if you guys see this right here. So you have to constantly retighten. I think she's got the knack of it, guys. Just had to relearn there for a little bit. You know what I like? Got some nice footwork going on down there. Impressive. Well guys, as you can see, the 5.0 did make it home safe and sound after all. I was worried there for just a little bit, but I think Tiffany did a pretty good job. If you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like button. Also, I'm planning some additional videos about what mods have been done to the car, how much they've cost, and also what I plan to do in the future. So please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time with Gearhead 704.